Analysis of financial statements. This chapter has a weightage of 5 marks. 5 marks. This chapter has a weightage of 5 marks, trust on me. 1 mark MCQ is there and 4 marks. 4 marks question will be there in section D. Okay, that 4 marks is a long question which is going to be asked. Lot of theory is there in the chapter which you may ignore. If at all theory comes, it will be an option of that 4 marks practical. So 4 marks practical definitely you are going to get. For 1 mark, directly from the textbook itself, section A and B should be prepared. Now, analysis of financial statements. So first of all, what does financial statements include? What does financial statements include? Statement of profit and loss and balance sheet. Okay, financial statements include statement of profit and loss and balance sheet. What do you mean by the word analysis? Give me one single word for analysis. Synonym of analysis. Yes? Detailed study. Okay, anything else? Conclusion will come after analysis. First you analyze, then you conclude. So next step. Research. Okay. Observations. Okay. The most ideal word for analysis is interpretation. Analysis means, yes, be attentive. All what you said are also correct. Research, detailed study, they are also correct. We do interpretation of financial statements and then we take decisions, we make conclusions. The performance is good or bad. Financial position is good or bad. Has it improved or deteriorated? And what steps should be taken for the same. So that is what we are going to study in this chapter. Now suppose, other than accounts, suppose I want to make analysis of performance of Asta. Now, it can be done, listen carefully, it can be done in 2 different ways. One is, compare Asta with Rashmi. You compare yourself with your competitors in business. Compare your profits and loss statement, balance sheet with your competitors. So one is you compare with outsiders and second is you compare Asta with Asta. You compare 12 standards performance of Asta with 11 standard. So we are going to have only the second kind of analysis in syllabus because we don't have control on the financial statement of our competitors. So for analysis purpose, as far as possible, we will use our own statements. Means, either you can compare your current year's information with past year, or you can compare your past 3-4 years information also. Means you can compare Asta's performance in 8th standard, 9th, 10th, 11th and now 12th. Same way in company also, we can compare profit and loss and balance sheet of 2012 to 13, 13 to 14, 14 to 15, 15 to 16 and 16 to 17. This kind of analysis is called horizontal analysis, where you compare current year with past years. It is called horizontal analysis. Second analysis is Asta's marks of accounts, stats, eco, bio, Gujarati, English, computers. Any one you can take as base and compare the others. Accounts you take as base, then you compare. Compared to accounts, what is the performance in stats? Compared to accounts, what is the performance in economics? Any one subject you can take as base and compare the others. This is called vertical analysis. In companies, in profit and loss, we compare everything with sales. All incomes and expenses are compared with sales. That is vertical analysis. And in balance sheet, everything is compared with the total. Suppose total of balance sheet 10 lakhs, fixed assets 7 lakhs, 70% are fixed assets. Total 10 lakhs, debentures 3 lakhs, 30% of total is debentures. So in profit and loss statement, everything is compared with sales. In balance sheet, everything is compared with total. This is called vertical analysis. Horizontal analysis is technically called comparative statements. Horizontal analysis is called comparative statements, and vertical analysis is called common size statements. And we are going to study practical questions on these two topics in detail. Comparative and common size statements. Did everyone understand this? So you can write it along with me. Right now, analysis is of two types. One is horizontal, the other is vertical. Horizontal analysis is called comparative statements. Vertical analysis is called common size statements. Now, in comparative statement, we simply compare last year and current year. Okay? Or maybe past years and current year. But comparative statement, horizontal analysis, current year's performance is compared with last year. Common size statements, in case of profit and loss statement, we take sales as the base and compare all information with sales. In balance sheet, we take total as the base and we compare all the informations with the. Is everyone of you clear with these two types of analysis? Yes. First, today we will start with horizontal analysis, comparative statements. One common format is there, whether you have profit and loss or balance sheet. For both of them, common format is there. That we'll see, and we'll directly start with the questions. So first you understand that common format, then you'll make it. Comparative statements. In profit and loss and balance sheet, the common format is particulars and then note number. Then we used to have two columns of amount. Again two columns of amount. But because we are comparing last year and so in one column of amount we will have last year's amounts. Another column of amount we will have current year's amount. So we'll compare current year with last year. Then we will find increase or decrease. Means we'll try to find out, has our incomes and expenses in P&L statement increased or decreased. And in case of balance sheet, we'll try to find out, has our liabilities and assets increased or decreased. And we'll find percentage increase or decrease. Because conclusions can be made only from percentage. Maybe increases of 1 lakh, but against 1 crore increase of 1 lakh is very normal, very nominal, only 1%. But against increase 5 lakhs, if it has increased by 1 lakh, then it's 20%. Then you can say the increase is significant. So conclusions can be made only when we express it in percentage. Now suppose this is column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 5 will be obtained as 4 minus current year minus last year. Positive increase, negative will write in bracket. Bracket means decrease. Percentage will find as 5 divided by 3 into 100. Fifth column amount, increase or decrease, divided by last year's amount into 100. We'll be able to find, has it increased by or decreased by what percentage. Did everyone understand it? Rest the formats remain same as last chapter. As we have done in last chapter. The only better part is, in last chapter we used to write everything. And not given information we used to write as nil. Here you write only that information which is given in the question. Means first of all, in all the questions we have to copy down question itself in the notebook. And then we have to do these two calculations. 4 minus 3, 5 divided by 3 into 100. Okay, 4 divided by 3 means column 4 divided by column 3. Don't everywhere write 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And 60% everywhere. Column 4 amount minus column 3 amount, and column 5 amount divided by column 3 amount into 100. Is everyone clear with that?
Yes.
So question itself is your answer. Only one thing you will change in the order. Throughout this chapter as well as 6th chapter, in question you will always be given first current year and second last year. First column of amount will always be of current year, second will always be of last year. But in solution, first we do write
Last year.
and second current year, chronological order. So just remember, throughout the chapter, amounts are to be written in cross manner. Okay, cross the amounts. First column will come in second and second column will come in first. First, not last. Cross. Is everyone clear with this? Any confusions? So make this 3-4 lines format in summary. How to make the comparative statements. So after this one page, one slide, you will leave for the summary for common size statement, and 2 formulas will come. One side. Then we'll start with the questions. One question I'll explain you and 2 you will explain me. Okay? Total 3 questions we'll do today. Any confusion in this columns, raise your hand. Who are still making this, raise your hand. So, page number 204, I will be solving question 6 on the board. Then I'll ask you 4 and 5. Okay? Question number 6, page number 204. Listen carefully, be attentive. Profit and loss statement for the year ending on 31/3/16 and 31/3/17 of Shankar Limited are given as follows. Now tell me, which one is current year and which one is last year? 3/17 is current year, 16 is last year. See in the question, first we are given with the column of 31/3/17, mark it as CY, current year, and second 31/3/16, mark it as LY, last year. But we have to write it cross. First you are given current year, but our second column is current year. Second column you are given last year, but our first column is last year. So every question will be like that. Every information you have to write cross. Of Shankar Limited are given as follows. Prepare comparative statement of profit and loss. We will never read the question in this chapter, okay, because directly question itself is to be copied in the solution. So directly write down the heading. Shankar Limited, keep silence. Comparative statement of profit and loss for the year ending, who is this? For the year ending 31/3/16 and 31/3/17. Particulars, note number, first 31/3/16, then 31/3/17. Okay, first last year, then current year. In question it's reverse. First column is 31/3/17, second is 31/3/16. Then increase or decrease and percentage increase or decrease. Column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 is equal to 4 minus 3. 6 is equal to 5 divided by 3 into 100. One more minute, then I'll start to it fast. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Be attentive now. First of all, see in the question, sales revenue. Write down first, sales revenue. As I said, question itself, first we have to copy it entirely. But 60,75,000 in 4th column and 45 lakhs in 3rd column. Understood that, everyone? Reverse, cross. All the amounts will be written cross. You can also write revenue from operations, or you can also write sales revenue. In last chapter, I write always revenue from operation only. Here, you can copy down the same language what is given in the question. Then second, other incomes. And in case if other incomes are not given, we'll not write. Directly total. We'll write only the information given in the question. 7 lakhs in fourth column, 10 lakhs in third column. 3 total bracket 1 plus 2, 55 lakhs, 67 lakhs 75,000. Fourth, expenses in that first, cost of goods consumed, 36 lakhs in fourth column, 30 lakhs in third column. Second, net purchases, 2 lakhs 70,000 in fourth column and 2 lakhs in third column. Is everyone able to follow this?
Yes.
Then third, changes in stock, 90,000 in fourth column, 70,000 in third column. Fourth, employees benefit expenses, 5,60,000 in fourth column, 4 lakhs in third column. Fifth, financial cost, 1,35,000 in fourth column, 90,000 in third column. Sixth, depreciation and amortized amount, 1,05,000 in fourth column and 70,000 in third column. Then total we do it. So 30, 32, 36, 70, 37, 60, 38 lakh 30,000 and 36, 38, 43, 44, 45, 46, 60, 47, 20, 47, 60. 47 lakh 60,000. Is everyone clear with this? Anyone having any doubt up till expenses? Raise your hand, we're still writing till expenses. Now, fifth, profit before tax, bracket 3 minus 4, 55 lakh minus 38 lakh 30,000, 16 lakh 70,000, 67 lakh 75,000 minus 47 lakh 60,000, 20 lakh 15,000. Did you understand this? Profit before tax, 55 lakhs minus 38, 30, 16, 70, 67 lakh 75,000 minus 47 lakh 60,000, 20 lakh 15,000. Sixth, provision for tax. See in the question, last information, income tax rate is 30%.
Yes.
Raise your hand who is still writing till profit before tax. Completed. Now this 30% you count on these two amounts. 16 lakh 70,000 into 30% will be 5 lakh 1,000 and 20 lakh 15,000 into 30% will be 6 lakh 4,500. Did you all understand this? Everyone? 16 lakh 70,000 into 30% 5 lakh 1,000. 20 lakh 15,000 into 30% 6 lakh 4,500. Seventh, profit after tax 5 minus 6.
11 lakh 69,000.
11 lakh 69,000
14 lakh 10,500.
and 14 lakh 10,500. 16 lakh 70,000 minus 5 lakh 1,000, 11 lakh 69,000. 20 lakh 15,000 minus 6 lakh 4,500, 14 lakh 10,500. Any confusion in this? All are clear? Raise your hand who is still doing till profit after tax. Now, increase or decrease. Everyone has completed?
Yes.
Simply we will do fourth column minus third column. 60 lakh 75,000 minus 45 lakh 15 lakh 75,000. 7 lakhs minus 10 lakhs minus 3 lakhs, so write it in bracket. 7 lakhs minus 10 lakhs minus 3 lakhs, so write it in bracket. 67, 75 minus 55, 12 lakhs 75,000. 36 lakhs minus 30 lakhs, 6 lakhs. 2 lakhs 70 minus 2 lakhs 70,000. 90,000 minus 70,000, 20,000. 5 lakhs 60 minus 4 lakhs, 1 lakh 60,000. 1 lakh 35,000 minus 90,000, 45,000. 1 lakh 5,000 minus 70,000, 35,000. 47 lakh 60,000 minus 38 lakh 30,000, 9 lakh 30,000. 20 lakh 15,000 minus 16 lakh 70,000, 3 lakh 45,000. 6 lakh 4,500 minus 5 lakh 1,000, 1 lakh 3,500. 14 lakh 10,500 minus 11 lakh 69,000, 2 lakh 2,41,500, 41,000. 2,41,500. Did everyone understand this? Anyone who did not understand increase or decrease, don't raise your hand, just get out. If you are not clear with doing column 4 minus 3, then you don't deserve to be here. All are clear with this? Who all are still doing it? Who all are still doing it? Raise your hand. Who all have just started? Raise your hand. Now be attentive. Yes, understand it properly now to find this percentage increase or decrease. Column 5 divide by column 3 into 100. Instead of into 100, you may simply press percentage key in the calculator. Means do it as I am saying 15,75,000 divided by 45 lakhs and press percentage 35. Did you understand this? Do 3 lakhs divide by 10 lakhs percentage in bracket negative 30. It's minus 3 lakhs, so minus 30%. Do 12,75,000 divide by 55 lakhs percentage 23.18. Do 6 lakhs divide by 30 lakhs percentage 20. 70,000 divide by 2 lakhs percentage 35. 20,000 divide by 70,000 percentage 28.57. 1,60,000 upon 4 lakhs percentage 40. 45,000 divided by 90,000 percentage 50. 35,000 divided by 70,000 percentage 50. 9,30,000 divided by 38,30,000 percentage
24.28.
24.28. 3,45,000 divided by 16,70,000 percentage 20.66. 20.66. 20.66. Last three will always come same. If the rate of tax in both the years is, in case if in 1 year 30%, another year 35%, then this 3 will change. Then you need to find it. Like do the calculation, 1,03,500 upon 5,01,000 percentage. Do you get same or not? Even 2,41,500 upon 11,69,000 percentage, 20.66. Did you understand this, everyone? So last 3 you can always directly write same if the rate of tax is same. So scoring an easy, but one disadvantage is there. It is lengthy and time consuming for only 4 marks. Because last chapter we did the same but with only amount. Here more calculations. So that was 11 marks, this is 4 marks. More than last chapter we are doing in single question here, but the marks are less. So it is expected that for 4 marks they should give you very few items. Like for example direct expenses. Total. So they should give you few items only if it is asked for 4 marks. Okay. So now you'll be able to explain 4 and 5. Okay. Make the same columns for question 4. Page number 203. The average profit and loss statement, silence, ending on 31, 3, 16 and 17 of Saman Company Limited are given as follows. Prepare comparative statement of profit and loss. Make the columns fast because they are easy but time consuming. So make it fast for question number 4, everyone. 30 more seconds, then I'll start because one more question is to be done. First I am writing the whole question, then I'll ask you the last 2 columns, okay? So be attentive. First, sales revenue, 33 lakhs in 4th column, 22 lakhs in 3rd column. Did you all write it? Shall I proceed? Other incomes, 2,25,000 4th column, 1,50,000 3rd column. Written that? Total 23,50,000. 35,25,000. See, this kind of question can come for 4 marks. Small and less time consuming. Can you all see expenses are directly given? 23 lakh 76,000 in fourth column, 15 lakh 40,000 in third column. This total is also same. There you next. Which profit?
Before tax.
Profit before tax. How we will find? 3 minus 4. So 23 lakh 50,000 minus 15 lakh 40,000, 8 lakh 10,000, 35 lakh 25,000 minus 23 lakh 76,000, 11 lakh 49,000. Any doubt in this? Krishna? Provision for tax. Is all we can say again? The income tax rate is 30%. So 2 lakh 43,000. 8 lakh 10,000 into 30%, 2 lakh 43,000. 3 lakh 44,700. 11 lakh 49,000 into 30%, 3 lakh 44,700. And then seventh, profit after tax. 5 minus 6. 8 lakh 10,000 minus 2 lakh 43,000, 5 lakh 67,000. 11 lakh 49,000 minus 344,700, 8 lakh 4,300. So, understood this everyone? Now, increase or decrease? Mayank, tell me all the amounts. 33 lakhs minus 22 lakhs, 11 lakhs. Silence everyone. Further?
75,000.
75,000.
36,000.
Keep silence everyone. Yes. How much? 11 lakh 75,000. 35 25 minus 23 50, 11 75. Then
8 lakh 36,000.
8 lakh 36,000. Again 8 lakh 36,000. 3 lakh 39,000. Which calculators we are using? Sit down. Everyone now. 344,700 minus 140. 243, 1 lakh 1,700. And 8 lakh 4,300 minus 567, so 2 lakh 36,300. 2 lakh 37,300. Did everyone understand this?
Yes, sir.
Then, Renuka, percentage increase or decrease?
50.
11 lakhs upon 22 lakhs into 100, 50%.
50.
75,000 upon 1 lakh 50,000 into 100, 50%.
50.
Yes, when both are same, then total will also change by 1175 upon 23, 50,000 into 100, 50%. 54.29, total also 54.29. Last three will always come same if tax rate is same. So everyone is clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts in this question? So this type of question is probable for 4 marks because it's not so time consuming. Okay? And last one for today, question 5. Make the formats for question 5. Srushti Company Limited. Here expenses are given. Please don't make any changes in the question, okay? 1 minute for the format, make it fast. First, sales revenue. 25 lakh 35,000 in fourth column. 19 lakh 50,000 in third column. Head on fast. Don't speak in between. Other incomes. 2 lakh 85,000 in fourth column. 1 lakh 90,000 in third column. Now 21 lakh 40,000 is total and 28 lakh 20,000 is the total. Did everyone complete up to the totals?
No.
Raise your hand who is still writing. Completed everyone? Now expenses. See if you can see the question, those expenses only are to be written. First, cost of goods consumed. 11 lakh 40,000 in fourth column. 9 lakh 50,000 in third column. Second, financial cost. 90,000 in fourth column. 1 lakh 50,000 in third column. Third, depreciation. 60,000 in fourth column and 60,000 itself in third column. Fourth, other expenses. 4 lakh 25,000 in fourth column. 3 lakh 40,000 in third column. Now total, so 9, 10, 11, 14, 15 lakhs. And 11, 15, 16, 13, 19, 17 lakh 15,000. Now, fifth, profit before tax in bracket 3 minus 4. 21 lakh 40,000 minus 15 lakhs 6 lakh 40,000. 28 lakh 20,000 minus 17 lakh 15,000, 11 lakh 5,000. Then sixth is provision for tax. Now again the income tax rate is given as 30%. So 6 lakh 40,000 into 30%, 1 lakh 92,000. 11 lakh 5,000 into 30%, 3 lakh 31,500. Seventh, profit after tax 5 minus 6. 6 lakh 40,000 minus 1 lakh 92,000, 4 lakh 48,000.
Yes.
And 11 lakh 5,000 minus 3 lakh 31,500. 7 lakh 73,500. Anyone having any doubt in this?
No.
Completed fast. Raise your hand who is still writing. Raise your hand who is still writing. Now increase or decrease. 25 lakh 35,000 minus 19 lakh 50,000. So 5 lakh 85,000. 2 lakh 85 minus 190. So 95,000.
Yes.
28 20 minus 21 40. 6 lakh 80,000. 1140 minus 950 190,000. 90 minus 150 minus 60,000. 60 minus 60 nil. 425 minus 340 85,000. 17 15 minus 15 lakh 2 lakh 15,000. 11 lakh 5,000 minus 640 3 lakh 65,000. 4 lakh 65,000. 331500 minus 1 lakh 92,000. 1 lakh 39,500 and 773,500 minus 4 lakh 48,000. 3 lakh 25,500. Is everyone clear with this? All have completed this? Now hit percentage increase or decrease. 5 lakh 85,000 upon 19 lakh 50,000 into 100 is 30%. 95,000 upon 1 lakh 90,000 into 100 is 50%. 6 lakh 80,000 divided by 21 lakh 40,000 into 100, 31.78%. 1 lakh 90,000 upon 9 lakh 50,000 into 100, 20%. Minus 40. 60 divided by 1 lakh 50,000 into 100 minus 40, it's minus 60, so minus 40%. Nil, no change. 85,000 upon 3 lakh 40,000 into 100, 25%. 2 lakh 15,000 upon 15 lakhs into 100, 14.33. 4 lakh 65,000 upon 6 lakh 40,000 into 100, 72.66, 72.66, 72.66. So, everyone is clear with this comparative statement?
Yes, sir.
Homework is illustration 1 to 4 to be done on Monday. Tomorrow, since you have the test, you'll show it on Monday. And tomorrow, I'll be taking the classes from 8 to 10. Then test from 10:15 to 11:15.